Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is. My name is Dane, author of the book Knowledge to Forage. Thank you all for joining me here today on this beautifully rainy, cold morning. Today I'm absolutely blessed to be spending my time out foraging for the burdock root, because we're going to take it home and chop it up and cook it into one of my favourite free wild food snacks, burdock chips. So if you're interested, then come with me and we'll quickly forage for some burdock root and we'll take it home to Stelly and we'll show you how to cook this delicious free meal. So here we've got a lovely example of burdock in its first year growth. Now burdock's super easy to identify. It's got its big long heart-shaped leaves. Its stems run down into a rosette, a circle, and they transform from green to a pinkish red colour. And when you turn the leaves over, they're soft and white and woolly. Now, in the first year's growth, when you want to find burdock, because it has a big taproot that's full of protein and carbohydrates and antioxidants. So let's dig it up and get home into the warm and enjoy some burdock chips. So we got these two lovely big burdock taproots. Look at the size of that one. And that's probably only half of it, but we've got to get home because there's a big storm coming. So let's head home and cook some burdock chips with Stelly. And we're home with the stunning Stelly.
Hi guys! Here's our lovely beefy burdock. And now we're going to turn them into burdock chips. This is a really delicious, easy recipe. Come with us and I'll show you how to make it. I'm going to show you how to make some fried burdock chips and some oven burdock chips. So it's really super easy peasy. We just need some soy sauce, some olive oil and some salt.
First things first, clean up your burdock roots. Give them a wash with some water. Once you've got your burdock root as clean as you can possibly get it, chop off the top where the stem used to join the root. Now this skin is packed full of nutrition, but it's very hard to clean, especially from wild burdock roots. The ones you get from the market, so a lot easier to clean. So we like to just, with a potato peeler, remove the skin, just where you have a fresh burdock root to enjoy for our dinner. You can really smell that unique scent of burdock. Burdock root oxidizes really quickly, so it's white and then it quickly turns to that dingy brown, so don't worry about that.
And once you've peeled it all off and given it a good wash, just chop off the woody ends that are quite tough, and then we'll have a nice fresh bit of burdock to work with. Okay, now we're going to chop some up and turn them into chips. If you're worried about it looking a bit brown, then just when you're slicing, pop them in a bowl of water with a little bit of vinegar or a little squeeze of lemon, and it'll stop it oxidizing and it'll stop it from going brown, and you'll have that nice white texture. But we're not really bothered about that, so we're going to cut away. So the first ones we're going to do are to bake our burdock. Pop them in your oven pan. Yummy burdock chips. There we go. Just a little splash of oil. And then we have some herbal infused salt. You can find the recipe to this in our book, Knowledge to Forage. Give a little sprinkle. Ta-da! Give them a shake. pop them in the oven. While our burdocks in the oven roasting away, we're going to make some little French fries to fry up with some soy sauce. So just finely slice your circles. Ta-da! To add a bit of colour and fun, we're going to add a carrot. And then make some slices. Pop your pan on a high heat. We're going to fry these up just like you would in a stir fry. Add a splash of oil. Once your oil is heated up, pop in your burdock root. And any other veggies you might want to pop in. Give it a stir up. And I'm going to sizzle these for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 10 minutes of cooking your burdock in the oven, if you open it up and get a nice warm nutty burdock smell, they're ready to come out. Once your burdock's been sizzling and got nice and soft, add a generous splash of soy sauce. An optional extra, add a teaspoon of sugar to caramelise your burdock root and just balance out that salty flavour of the soy sauce. Here we go. Ooh, it smells so good. Delicious. And our oven cooked burdock root chippies.
Now let's taste test the baked burdock.
Da, 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 da. Taste test. I'm going to try some just like this.
With some homemade sweet chili hawthorn sauce. Wow. It always surprises me how nice it is.
So good.
Burdock root, you can cook it just how you'd cook any other root vegetable. You know, main difference being it's wild and free. Very nice.
Really fun meal to go and find yourself.
Yeah.
Dig it up, get muddy.
Yeah, there's some work involved to get
a bit wet.
Yeah.
But honestly, it's like a proper meal. There's so much food here.
It's a hearty meal and it's got so many proven health benefits. Make sure to check out our other video all about the burdock, and we'll dive into its nutritional, medicinal properties and history in a lot more deeper way. Taste test number 2.
Here we go. Our Asian inspired burdock chips, fried up with some soy sauce. Are they nice?
Very nice. Very different because of the soy sauce.
Let's try some.
Burdock just has this, it has a really nutty flavour. That's how I describe it. Nutty.
I describe it as like hearty. There's like a lot there.
Hearty.
It's nice.
You know when you eat something really good for you and your body kind of tells you, inside it goes, oh yes please, thank you for the burdock root.
Yeah, really, really good. Really nice. And I really like it with the soy sauce as well. It's
really good. When you dig it out the ground, it don't look so good, but when you've got it all cooked up, it's a delicious free meal that grows beneath our feet.
And so much more exciting than the humble potato. I love potatoes, but this is
you leave
fun.
potatoes out of this. As always, people, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to do all them modern world things such as like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah, head over to Facebook. We're always putting things up on there about what we're up to with the outdoors, wild and free.
And if you want all these recipes in written form, then make sure to check out our book, Knowledge to Forage.
Yeah, there's the sweet chili hawthorn sauce as well, to go and check out the video on that.
Check out the how to make your own sweet chili hawthorn sauce.
Hawthorn berries are amazing for your heart,
Yeah.
and turns out they're really good for making sweet chili sauce as well.
Yeah, they're really good for sweet chili sauce too. And most importantly of all, take care of yourselves.
Peace.